Welcome to the FezyFlow video demo. In the previous video, you will show how to create a proposal approval workflow for a purchase request. In this video, we will introduce how to design and transform a paper-based workflow into an automated workflow on the system in a simple and easy way. You are currently viewing a purchasing workflow in a business which includes a form, process diagram, and instruction on how to perform each step. Next, we will configure the form with the information fields as shown in this document, as well as the step in the purchasing workflow onto the system. To configure the workflows, access the system using an admin account. Click on the user icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Process Configuration. On the Workflow Configuration screen, click the Add New button. The system will redirect you to the new workflow creation screen. Creating a new workflow involves three main steps for user. First, setting up the form. Second, set up the workflow process. Third, set up other information. The first step is to set up the process form. The process form is equivalent to the standard paper application. The application's information fields will match those on the conventional paper application. The form will contain all information connected to the requirement of the purchase form. User of FezyFlow can configure a wide range of information fields with various data types, including text inputs, select lists, attaching files, and many other input types. The purchase procedure will include the following information fields: reason for purchase, budget code, attachment, notify to, and product table information. The text field labeled reason for purchase is user field. Following are the steps we take to set up the purchasing reason field. First, to create new information area, click the New Area button and give it the name Purchase Information. Drag the short text block from the Basic Fields section into the newly formed Purchase Information area, and then click on the Edit key, set the field name to Reason for Purchasing. Click Require to enter. After setting up, click Back button on the menu to set up other information fields. Next, we configure the budget code fields to be picked from a fixed list. This list is set up by the system admin in the category management feature. First, at the process creation screen, drag the select list block to the purchasing information area, and then click on the Edit key for the created select list block. Set the field name to budget code. Select the category to budget code and then click Require to enter. And then after that, click the Back button on the menu to configure other fields. With the two fields of information I just added, when complete the configuration, the following screen will be displayed as shown. Then we set up the same with other information fields, especially the product table information will be a little different. The table area allows users to enter data in the form of a table. Each column in the table corresponds to the fields of information. To set up the table, do the following. First, click New Table Area, and then change the table space name to Product List. Then set up the column of the table in turn by dragging and dropping similar to the fields Purchase Reason and Budget Code. The information fields I just added in the same table will show the following information after being properly saved. Click Next to finish the form after completing the form's information configuration. During system operation, the user form's full content are completely changeable. We'll then move on to the section on Process Workflow Setup. Step 2. Set up the workflow for the process. Workflow represented by each job step. At each step, the designated person can confirm or reject. With the purchase process, we'll have the following approval step. First, department confirm the request. Second, administrative department confirm it. The third, department reconfirm the request with the cost is more than 20 million. The fourth, asset department does the purchase, and the last, asset department allocate asset. Click the Add button at the workflow to add a new job. At the process configuration step, the system allows the following type of jobs to be added: confirmation, approve, implementation. Sub-process update request. In the next step, I'll set up a specific one-step confirmation job in detail. Select the Confirm Job Type button. The workflow now includes a new step, and then click the Edit button to set up job. Complete the configuration, which should include executor is head of department with job name is head of confirmation department. Click Save to save the work after configuring. According to the information fields on the form or any other information, such as department, FezyFlow enables the setting up of job with flexible circumstances. In this scenario, step 3 is department head to confirm. With the conditional requirement, cost is more than 20 million, and we need to set up as follows. First, the job condition. Click the Create Condition button. A new window will open. Choose Add Condition. Set the following condition for information field selection: total cost and comparison values of 20 million. To set the specific conditions, click Save. We will carry out the same action for the other step in the process, and when we run the process on the system, the steps will be shown as follows. Click Next button in the lower corner to finish, and go on to the next setting step after configuring every step of workflow. The final step is to configure additional information for the process in the manner described below. Purchase request is the name of the request. Administrative process should be chosen at the process group with display in order 1. Click the Save button when you are done to save the procedure. The process will be idle after saving. Therefore, we must enable it so that the user can submit a request. User can create a request from a home screen and the Create Request button in the left menu once the process has been successfully built and activated. So, we just finished the presentation on configuring workflow for purchasing. Through the demo, we can see an easy-to-use drag-and-drop operating screen that even those without an IT experience can use. With FezyFlow, it is incredibly quick and simple to move a process from paper to system, assisting your company in quick performing correct conversion and digitalization. Thank you for watching our demo video.